vessel's new USB model is released, 220 USB high speed. Newly designed high-precision gear makes 1200 RPM possible, which is more than 4 times faster than standard 220 USB. Tightening speed is much faster than manual work. Superior workability of screw tightening, even compared with standard 220 USB. Tightening torque is 0.4 Newton meters by electric and maximum 10 Newton meters by manual. 220 USB high speed is ideal for electric facility work or switchboard assembly. Less reaction when screw is seated, less burden on the wrist. Of course, all functions are inherited as it is from standard 220 USB. The tightening speed and torque are different between standard 220 USB and 220 USB high speed. Standard 220 USB is ideal for the same works as screwdrivers. 220 USB high speed is ideal for less loaded screw tightening. You can select the suitable model depending on the work.